guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Steph, and today I'm going to be making a video on how I made my intro specifically. I know it's a little different than most people's, because I know a lot of people do them kind of the same, with like that starry background and then their name and a cool effect on their name. For now, this is the intro I have, so I figured I'd show you guys how I made it. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you want to see more videos from me, and follow me on Instagram. And let's get to it. Hi guys, so first I wanted to say the apps we were using in this and in what order. So top right is MAGICERASER, then we go top left, which is called Over, then we go bottom right, which is iMovie, and bottom left, which is VONT. So as you can see, we start with MAGICERASER, like I said, and I get rid of as much of the extra space on these images as I can, and I'm just making these images PNGs. So I'm getting rid of the entire background of every image that I chose and taking it from there. So I'm only showing you guys me doing this on one picture just because it's the same thing with any other picture and there's no reason to show you it 10, 12 different times. Now I'm just zooming out the image to see the whole thing, and then I am saving the PNG on high resolution, which is on the right hand side. The next app is Over, and I am going to click New, and I am clicking on the white background, and I'm going to go all the way to where it says Presentation, and I'm going to go through every single photo that I magic erased and put it in a different spot each time on this white background and save each one individually so they're not all in the same exact spot and it's more interesting. As you can see, I also did an assortment of full-length pictures, close-ups, mirror pictures. It just adds the more interesting factor to it, so it's not all the same. Our next app is iMovie, and we're creating a new movie and adding all those images we just made with those white backgrounds. And then we're going to click Create Movie. And then we're going to take each image, zoom out, and click Ken Burns in the bottom right corner there on the screen, and change the transition between each image to none, and make the smallest amount of time for each picture, which is, I believe, 0.4 seconds. And we're going to do this to each image that we have, so it's not moving. Then you're going to watch through what you just did and make sure no image looks like it is on the screen for longer than another. And then you're going to close it and save it. I usually save it to medium if I'm going back to another iMovie. And I, as you can see, made another one, and I added that to a new movie and shortened it a little bit. You save it again, and I saved this one as HD. And then we go into our next app, VONT. Go to new movie and click on original video. And then you can just scroll through it, make sure it's the right video. Click on the screen and hit add text and add whatever you want. I just put my name. You can change the size, the color, the font, whatever you like. Continue to change the colors and move it around the screen depending on where you think you want it. Then once you finish that, you can hit the play button and watch what it looks like and re-edit the colors if it doesn't look right or look how you wanted it to. And then you're going to hit that button in the bottom right hand corner and save to the middle one because the other one is for the paid version. And then you're going to go into your photos to watch the final again. Hi guys, I hope you liked this video. If you wanted to add music, you easily can when you're in iMovie. At the very end, you can just import it back into iMovie as a new movie and then just put whatever music you want in that. I didn't really do that just because I, at the moment, want to just keep changing the music with whatever my video is. But I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications if you want to see more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!